Good morning and welcome to the session of Money, Sex, Power. We are learning success from the richest man who ever lived on earth. Today is day 1. We read from chapter 1, verse 18. These men lie in wait for their own blood. They set an ambush for their own lives. Now it's very ridiculous that King Solomon, the wisest man, the richest man, is talking about a group of guys who are lying or waiting to kill themselves. Have you ever seen a group of people who are waiting to kill themselves? There are people who are waiting to kill others or destroy others or rob others, but rarely we find anyone who want to kill themselves. Now, he is talking about a group of people. Who are these group of people? Who are they? What are they doing? In fact, if you read the sentences before this passage, it says, these are the guys who are planning to attack others, rob others, steal others, kill others, and amass wealth. Now, definitely there are many people whom we can see in the community, in the society, in the nations. They want to come up by hook or by crook. By any means, they want to come up. They are not worried about what they use, what methods they use, what strategy they use, what instruments they use. In fact, they are more interested in the what money, how much money they will get. Even they are ready to do an illegal business. Some people are ready to kill each other for money. There are people who are ready to steal for money, who are ready to rob, or who are ready to rape, or there are a number of bad things they are willing to do. Now, the wisest man is saying that these are the guys who are ready to kill themselves. Why he is saying like that? Why should we say like that? In fact, I tell you, he is talking about the resultant, the end result of the whole thing. There are people who live by immoral means, but they make money by unfair means. They rob the government, they rob the society, they rob the community. They rob their neighbors and friends. Some people rob the banks. Some people rob God. They always live a life based on the money they have got from others by illegal things, by unscrupulous ways. I tell you something, wise man is saying, ultimately it will come after you, come after your life, come after your children, come after your family, and destroy everything. If you are a young man, you want to get rich, there is nothing wrong about getting rich, but what are the strategies you're going to use? Today, many young people, they want to become rich by any means. I'll tell you, there is one way of becoming rich very securely. That means if you become rich that way, no one can defeat you. That is, you work hard, you plan systematically, don't plan to rob or to defeat anybody, because we should understand, we have enough domain in this world for us to overtake. There is no need for any competition. We all can build our empires. We all can become a billionaire. We all can make a lot of money. We can work hard. We can do good business, and every one of us can be happy. That is what the wise man is saying. My friend, if you have a plan to do wrong things and come up, I tell you, it is not you are doing wrong things to the government or the society. You are actually doing wrong to you, your body, your family, your children, your grandchildren. And it says in the next word, the ways of everyone who gains riches by injustice. Unjust gains takes away the lives of those who hold on it. In fact, it comes back. The money which you earn, which is not yours, will actually come back to take your life from you. Many times, the people who are making unfair means of money don't know that they are going to be the victims of the whole thing. They are thinking they are cheating everybody, but the truth is they are actually cheating themselves. That's why the wise man is saying, these men lie in wait for their own blood. They set an ambush for their own lives. Thank you for joining us. Hope you enjoyed this session. We'll meet tomorrow, same time. God bless you.